Every morning, Mei Lan wakes up early just to make breakfast for her husband. She makes sure his breakfast and lunch are ready so he won't starve at work. Even when Jianyu wanted to start a business, she didn't hesitate to remove her gold bracelet, the only expensive thing she had, and gave it to him with love because she believed in him more than he believed in himself. And just one contract changed the whole story. When Jianyu finally became successful, he changed. He bought new clothes, made new friends, and also got a new attitude. And the woman who stood by him from the start, he began to forget her. Every night Melly waited. He always comes back late. Then the lies began. Hidden phone, sudden anger. She didn't understand what she did wrong. All she knew was that her husband is sleeping away. Until one night, she received a message from a stranger to check her husband and she's tired of hiding. She was shocked. To get the confirmation of the message, she went to the location the other lady sent her. She called his name, but Jianyu looked at her like a stranger. That was the moment she realized she had been fighting for who wasn't fighting for her.
So that is your wife? So
The other lady
classless.
mocked her to her husband, but he didn't say anything. She cried until her voice disappeared. A heavy pain settled on her chest. But when the tears dried, something changed inside of her. She looked herself in the mirror and said, "No more." And slowly she rebuilt herself. She got a new job and also made new friends. And she began smiling again. Meanwhile, Jianyu's new life began to sink. He realized the other woman he chose constantly demands for money, and he realized she only loved what he had and not who he was. And just when he thought he had lost everything, he saw Mei Lan again. She was looking so good and shining in a way he had never seen her before. In that moment, regret hit him like a storm. He finally understood the value of what he threw away. He invited her out and fell to his knees begging for another chance. And she said,
I wasn't perfect, but I tried my best. Now I'm no more interested.
and she walked away, not to hurt him, but to save herself. Because sometimes the strongest love is the love you give back to your own heart. So lovelies, if you love this story, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.